Hello guys, my name is Shun and you are watching my YouTube channel, Vlog Shun. Okay, on this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the OBS Studio blockchain issue in your AMD laptop. But first of all, in order for us to solve the issue, we need to understand why we have this issue in our laptops, especially in AMD with switchable graphics. If you are using a laptop, you may run into capture issues like black screen. This is because most laptops have more than one graphics adapter. So why do they have more than one graphic adapter? Because one is used for power saving or rendering our desktops and Windows, and the other is used for performance or gaming. This is done to minimize power usage on the laptop, as laptops are designed to run on batteries. Because of this, it can often cause capture issues. Your laptop may be drawing one image with the power or power-saving GPU and another to the performance GPU. However, in order for OBS to capture efficiently, OBS itself must be running on the same GPU as the image you wish to capture. If OBS is running on adapter A and an image is being drawn on adapter B, you will get a blockchain issue when trying to capture it. But if you continue to watch this video, worry no more because we are going to solve this issue. But before anything else, I would like to request you guys to please support my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below and ringing the notifications bell.
Okay guys, so first of all, we need to locate the OBS Studio. So this is the OBS Studio. First of all, you need to run the OBS Studio as administrator. Okay, waiting. Okay, so this is my OBS Studio. As you can see, we have here the black screen under the display capture, and this is the cursor. So we can see the cursor but we don't see the desktop itself. So this is the issue that we need to solve on this video. Okay, to solve this, there are two possible solutions for this issue to be resolved. Okay, let's exit the application. Okay, for solution, step 1, right click and locate AMD Radeon software. Run the software. Okay, from the home menu, click on settings. So this is the settings. Click on graphics and click on esports. After that, scroll down and locate the advanced. So you will see here the advanced. Click it. Then look for the AMD Crossfire. Since the AMD Crossfire are enabled, we need to disable it. Are you sure you want to disable the AMD Crossfire technology? Press OK. Okay, so this is the first possible solution. So other user might resolve the issue of the OBS Studio black screen. So we need to check if the first solution resolved our issue. Okay, waiting. Okay, so the first solution doesn't work with our black screen issue. Okay, so we need to do the second option, the second solution. Okay, exit the OBS Studio, exit everything. Okay, this is the second solution. Step 1, locate the disk PC, this one. Right click and press properties. So we are now here in system. Locate the device manager, this, click it. So these are the devices that included in your computer or laptop. Then locate the display adapters. Okay, so you see the two display adapters here, the AMD Radeon R7. We need to know what is the dedicated graphics of our laptop. To do this, minimize everything, right click and click AMD Radeon software. So we are now here in settings, click on system and you will see the hardware. So this is the GPU. GPU 1 AMD Radeon R5 graphics, primary integrated switchable, and GPU 2 AMD Radeon R7 discrete switchable. So based on these details, we knew that the GPU AMD Radeon R5 graphics is the primary and dedicated graphics of our laptop. So it's case-to-case basis. So based on my laptop's details, so GPU 1 AMD Radeon R5 graphics is my primary graphics. So back on the system, under the device manager, under the display adapters, so the AMD Radeon R5 graphics is the dedicated and the primary graphics. So we need to disable the other one. So this is the R7 or AMD Radeon R7. And disable device. Don't uninstall, just disable. Disable device. Okay? Disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable? Yes. Okay. So wait for a while. So, okay, congratulations, you finally disabled the second graphics or the second switchable graphics. Okay, press refresh and we will now try if the second solution really works. Okay, click on the OBS Studio. Just remember that the OBS Studio need to be running as administrator. Open it. Okay, so you can see that it's really worked. Okay, so this is the possible solution, the first solution and second solution. So if you don't see the first solution really works, try the second solution. Okay, if you think the video is really informative and useful to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe with my YouTube channel and please click the like button for me to provide me or encourage me to create more contents in video like this. Okay, I hope the videos really help you. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.